If you're seeing the error that auto blocker is on, can't install unknown apps, or unknown apps blocked on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra while installing apps, it simply means a security setting is blocking the installation. So let's see how to turn it off. Open Settings on your device, scroll down to Security and Privacy, scroll down to More Security Settings. Now here you gotta scroll down to Install Unknown Apps. Here, all the sources and browser is listed except Play Store, from where you can install apps. Just toggle on all the buttons for all the sources that you want to install apps from. That's it. But even after that, if you're getting the same error, go back to Security and Privacy Settings, scroll down and just turn off Auto Blocker from here. Put your PIN or password if prompted, and then if prompted, to turn on again 30 minutes, just hit Cancel. Although it was a built-in way to protect your device from harmful apps, but it's the only way to solve auto blocker problem. The rest is your call. Thanks for your time.